Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I just wanted to show you guys a honey garlic pork recipe that is super fast, easy to make, and it's really affordable. So all we're going to do is take some pork. We have about 1.5 pounds here, and I sliced it into strips, and I'm just going to stir fry these until they're nice and golden brown. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Now I do prefer the Aloha Soy Sauce because it doesn't have an overpowering saltiness to it. And now 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Now all I have to do is continue stirring this and heating it for about 3 or 4 minutes until the sauce becomes more of a thick glaze. And then I can use this to pour over rice or noodles. The sauce is really nicely reduced and it has taken on this nice caramel color. And now I'm just going to go ahead and turn this off, and I'm just going to top it with some green onions and a little sesame seeds, and then I'll just serve this over rice. Well, that's all there is to it. Feel free to swap out the pork for some chicken, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.